Today, we bring you a list of 10 cool Amazon gadgets that are actually worth buying. These gadgets are useful, practical, and just plain cool. Whether you're looking for smart solutions or cool designs, there's something here for everyone. Say goodbye to markers and hello to smoother scanning with the Revopoint Trackit, an advanced optical tracking 3D scanner built for speed, precision, and ease of use. At the heart of Trackit is accurate blue laser tech, delivering incredibly detailed scans without the need for markers. Its sturdy carbon fiber frame keeps everything precise, even during longer scanning sessions. Paired with a dual camera base station, the system automatically syncs and tracks your objects every angle with minimal setup. Need to scan large or intricate pieces? No problem. With 30 cross-line lasers and a single line mode for deep grooves and hard-to-reach spots, Trackit gives you full flexibility. The smart Anker system makes sure your scans stitch perfectly together, even when you move around the object or base. No tedious calibration here. Trackit features an automated calibration system that cuts setup time in half and reduces the chance of error. It integrates seamlessly with RevoScan and RevoMeasure, making it easy to scan, edit, measure, and export to major 3D software. Whether you're scanning for design, inspection, or reverse engineering, Trackit delivers pro-grade results in a compact, user-friendly package. It's fast, markerless, and seriously accurate. Step into the future of home cinema with the VisionMaster Triple Laser Projector, a true RGB laser powerhouse built for serious movie lovers and pro-level gamers. Powered by a precision engine that blends RGB laser tech, AI processing, and a professional-grade lens system, VisionMaster delivers razor-sharp detail, deep contrast, and color accuracy that rivals what you'd see in theaters. Whether you're binge-watching Netflix or presenting cinematic content, every frame is upscaled to 4K in real time. No lag, no compromise. Thanks to its high 3000 lumen output, it shines bright even in daylight. And with IMAX format support, you get that wide, immersive feel right from your couch. The built-in dynamic iris adjusts contrast on the fly, while optical zoom and vertical lens shift give you the freedom to perfect your setup without moving a thing. It's also a beast for gaming. With an AI-optimized chip and support for ultra-wide 32:9 ratio, you get blazing fast response times and a wider field of view. You won't just play, you'll dominate. Add in smart controls like Hey Google integration, hands-free adjustments, and support for multiple audio formats, and you've got a projector that turns any room into a full-blown entertainment zone. VisionMaster isn't just a projector, it's your all-in-one home theater upgrade. Meet the Creality K2 Plus Combo, a king-sized 3D printing powerhouse built for speed, precision, and color like never before. It is rebuilt from the ground up for multicolor printing. With smart RFID filament reading, the K2 Plus can automatically detect, switch, and relay up to 8 colors without needing you to babysit the print. One tap, and you're set. Just load your model and let it go. Powered by a direct drive extruder and a step servo motor, it hits blazing print speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, all while staying whisper quiet at just 45 decibels. That's fast, accurate, and living room friendly. The ultra-sturdy matrix frame keeps everything rock solid for high-precision prints, even at top speed. Plus, built-in AI camera monitoring and smart sensors help detect clogs, filament breaks, or print issues in real time, so you waste less and create more. And with Creality Cloud, you can upload, slice, and print from anywhere. No cables, no fuss. Whether you're prototyping a product, customizing a cosplay piece, or printing for profit, the K2 Plus makes big ideas easy to bring to life. These aren't your typical earbuds, they are the nothing open-ear headphones. The innovative stepped driver and titanium-coated diaphragm deliver rich bass and crisp highs with surprising clarity, all while keeping your ears open to the world around you. Perfect for commuting, working out, or just staying aware without sacrificing sound. Comfort-wise, you're covered. With a lightweight 8.1 gram frame, a 50-degree tilt, and skin-friendly silicone ear hooks, they feel almost invisible. Whether you're jogging or sitting through a Zoom call, they stay put and stay comfortable. You also get AI-powered dual mics for crystal clear calls, 30 hours of playback, and custom EQ controls through the Nothing X app. There's even a low lag mode for gaming and a sound seal system that helps keep your audio private. They're slim, just 19mm thin, IP54 rated for water and dust resistance, and support ChatGPT voice integration when paired with Nothing or CMF phones. Fast pairing, pinch controls, and LED charging indicators round it all out. Say goodbye to juggling multiple chargers. This is the Anker Prime 250-watt GAN USB-C charging station, and it's built to handle everything. With a massive 250-watt total output and 6 ports, including 3 USB-C and 3 USB-A, you can charge your laptop, tablet, phone, and more, all at once. The USB-C 1 port alone delivers up to 140 watts, perfect for fast-charging power-hungry devices like MacBooks or gaming laptops. What sets it apart is the smart power control that automatically distributes power where it's needed most, so nothing gets over or undercharged. There's even a 2.26-inch LCD screen that shows real-time power status, so you can actually see what each device is pulling. It's compact, travel-ready, and universally compatible with all your tech. Whether you're at your desk, on the go, or managing a charging station for the family, this one charger does it all, efficiently and intelligently. Tired of flat beer and soggy coolers? Meet the Kombi Cool Tap, the ultimate way to serve cold, fresh draft beer anywhere. This isn't some clunky kegerator or overpriced cooler. It's a smart, portable draft system that takes your party game to the next level. Load a 5.2-gallon keg, yes, the real kind from your favorite brewery, and you're ready to pour. No electricity, no CO2 tank, no weird setup. Just crisp, ice-cold pours straight from the tap. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or hosting friends in the backyard, the Kombi Cool Tap makes you that person, the one with the good beer. And it's not just for beer. You can fill up the 2-gallon mini keg with cocktails, kombucha, or whatever you're into. Built-in cup holders, pro-grade components, and a design that actually keeps things cold. Save money, cut waste, and ditch the mess of bottles and cans. Fresh draft anywhere you go. If you're drinking water every day, and you should be, why not make it smarter? Meet the Piurify Water Hydrogenator, a sleek, self-cleaning pitcher that turns ordinary water into powerful hydrogen-rich water in just minutes. Here's the thing. Regular water has hydrogen, but it's chemically bound to oxygen, so your body can't access it. Piurify uses advanced electrolysis tech, solid polymer electrolyte, and proton exchange membrane systems to infuse your water with free hydrogen gas, which is bioavailable and packed with health benefits. With a simple tap of a button, you get cleaner, antioxidant-rich water that may support better energy, improved recovery, reduced inflammation, and even mental clarity. Just fill the pitcher, pick your infusion level, and it does the rest. It even self-cleans and removes chlorine and chloramines thanks to the built-in calcium sulfide filter. There's also an integrated mixer that helps the water retain oxygen up to 3 times longer. No extra bottles, no waste, just pure, tasty hydration straight from your kitchen. Thousands are already switching to hydrogen-rich water for its potential wellness benefits. If you're ready to level up your hydration routine, Piurify makes it simple, clean, and eco-friendly. Tired of dull blades and messy sharpening sessions? Meet the sharpener that actually delivers, fast, precise, and built to last. This isn't your average kitchen gadget. Most sharpeners wear out too soon or leave chipped edges behind. But this one brings your knives back to razor sharp, every time. It's built on a 4-axis dual rail system for smooth, consistent sharpening. Whether you're restoring a dull edge or fixing the tip, it handles it all with precision. And the digital angle finder gives you real-time accuracy, so you're always sharpening at the exact right angle. Need flexibility? It adjusts from 8 degrees to 25 degrees in seconds, and the extendable stand fits any sink. Just lock it in place, rinse as you go, and keep your workspace clean. Flip sides instantly to get an even edge on both knives and scissors. Choose from 3 edge types depending on how sharp you want to go. Fast setup, secure locking, and diamond abrasives that sharpen over 1,000 knives. This thing's built for both home cooks and pros. In just 2 minutes, you're ready to slice, dice, and serve like a pro. Looking to level up your game on the course? Meet the MileC GenePro G1 Rangefinder, your smart golf companion that does more than just measure distance. You get a 2.13-inch ultra-large display, making it easy to see your distances and key info, even under bright sunlight. The driver arc feature helps you visualize your landing zone, showing you what's actually in play. With access to over 43,000 mapped courses worldwide, it's like having a caddy with global experience. And when it comes to precision, it tracks every shot's distance and location so you can finally get real data on your performance. Need a better strategy? The layup feature and pinpointer tell you the smart play, even on blind shots. And with ball-to-pin mode, you can measure directly from your cart. The rotating slope switch adjusts quickly for legal play, and you're backed by 90% light transmission and a 7.5-degree ultra-wide field of view for a crystal clear look at the course. Top it off with GPS-backed FCB distances and built-in performance tracking. And you've got a rangefinder that's more than smart. It's game-changing. Stay cool anywhere with the ZAFRO portable air conditioner, built to handle rooms up to 500 square feet. Whether you're working, relaxing, or sleeping, it gives you 3 modes: cooling, dehumidifying, and fan, all easily accessible through a clear digital display or remote control. You can switch fan speeds with 1 click and even adjust airflow with dual direction swing. Just hold the swing button for 3 seconds to toggle between vertical and horizontal motion. Need a quieter night? Sleep mode keeps things cool without the noise. And with built-in Wi-Fi, just long press M to connect to the ZAFRO app, where you can control temperature, fan speed, direction, and set a timer up to 24 hours. Smart, quiet, and efficient. Don't forget to browse our channel, like and subscribe for more cool tech. Thank you for watching.